How to delete your account on Skillshare. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can delete your Skillshare account. And so how do you go about it? The first step is for you to log in into your Skillshare account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see icons such as sections, my classes, notification, and then the avatar icon. Once you can see that, click on it. And then you will see a list of options in this drop-down menu, which includes my classes, account settings, language, team plans, refer a friend, redeem perks, help, sign out. So by clicking on account settings, you will be taken to your account settings page. So on this page, automatically, you will be brought to your profile settings. And then by the time you scroll down, you would see that you cannot see any option like delete account. By moving to the left side of the screen as well, you also see that you cannot see any option like deleting account. This is because since Skillshare is a paid platform, you cannot just delete your accounts like that. Alright, there are two ways. You can deactivate or you can cancel your subscription as a means of deleting your account. And how do you cancel your subscription? On by In the left sidebar, scroll down to the last part and click on membership and payment. So after clicking on membership and payment, on this page you'd see membership, and then by the right side you'll see the option cancel or change. Okay, so just go ahead and click on cancel. You'll be asked why you want to cancel, answer the question, and then your membership will be cancelled automatically. That way your account will still be active. You can renew your subscription if you want to, but you cannot go ahead with classes since your subscription has been cancelled. But if you want to deactivate and cancel your subscription completely, the only option left is for you to contact the customer support. And how do you do so? Go to the top right corner, click on the avatar icon again, then scroll down until you can see the option help, and then select that. So after clicking on help, you'll be taken to the help center. All right. So once you're on the help centers page, as you can see on my screen, just scroll down, okay, and check out the frequently asked questions, okay, if you can see anything like delete my account there. But if you cannot find it, or if you checked it and you cannot find the solution, it's very simple. Move to the contact us option and then click on the contact us. Then go ahead and click on how can I get in touch with Skillshare, and you'll be brought to the article that explains the different ways you can get in touch with Skillshare. So we have the general support inquiries, we have the teacher support inquiries, we have the Skillshare for team inquiries, etc. So in this case, it's under general support inquiries, and these are the two ways you can contact the support through help@skillshare.com, or you can decide to submit a ticket. Alright, so you can decide to send an email to help@skillshare.com telling them that you would like to delete your account completely, or you can decide to submit a ticket. Whichever method, follow the procedures and your account would be deleted via the response that will be sent to you through email. So this is it. Alright, this is how you can delete your account on Skillshare. Thank you for watching, and if this video has helped you, ensure you subscribe to this channel and leave a thumbs up. Have a nice day.